Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. I'm your host Jason. In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Playstore pending problem or how to fix Playstore download pending problem. First, you'll need to go into settings. Once in settings, you're going to scroll down and you're going to select apps. After you have selected apps, you're going to tap on the search icon in the top right hand corner and you're going to type in Playstore. Then you're going to select it. After you have selected Playstore, you're going to scroll down a bit and you're going to tap on storage, and from here you want to tap on clear data. After you have selected clear data, you're going to go back. Then you're going to scroll up and you're going to select permissions, and you want to ensure that files and media permission they are granted. Allow me access the media only, and then you're going to tap back and you're going to search for Play Services now. So you're going to type in Play again and you're going to select Google Play Services. After you have selected Google Play Services, you're going to tap on Storage. And once you have selected Storage, you're going to tap on Manage Storage in the bottom left hand corner. Then you're going to select Clear All Data. And after you have done that, you'll restart your Android device, and that will solve the problem. Hope you found this video helpful and informative on how to fix Google Play Store pending problem or how to fix Play Store download pending problem.